Maintenance spend sits at the top of the ladder of maintenance excellence for a reason, because it's where efficiency meets your bottom line. Tracking these metrics gives property management companies clear visibility into where their money is going, helping them spot trends, control costs, and make smarter decisions. Without it, you're flying blind, and that can lead to overspending, missed opportunities, and worse, frustrated investors. By keeping a close eye on maintenance spend, you stay competitive, cost-effective, and ahead of the game in delivering value to both residents and your investors. Spend per unit is a critical metric for property management companies because it directly impacts NOI, and investors are watching. High maintenance costs, especially those exceeding 12% of the rent roll, can send both retail and institutional investors running to the exits. With rents averaging $1,400 to $1,800 per month nationally, a healthy range for maintenance spend is $1,680 to $2,592 annually per unit. Tracking this ensures you're staying within a competitive range, protecting your NOI, and reducing the risk of investor churn, because no one likes unexpected hits to their bottom line. Average spend per unit is a key indicator of the cost showing up on investor statements. Data consistently shows that handling a higher volume of repairs at a lower average cost keeps investors happy and retention strong. This is because smaller, frequent fixes are easier to digest financially than sporadic, high-ticket surprises. The percent of melds with financials highlights how accurate and complete your maintenance financial data is. The closer this number is to 100, the more reliable your insights become for spotting trends, identifying opportunities, and improving your overall performance. Low performance of this metric is an indicator of unaccounted maintenance spend. Clean, accurate data means you're better equipped to make decisions that protect NOI and your investor confidence. Total maintenance spend is your big picture snapshot of how much you're spending to keep everything running. It's a powerful indicator of your company's buying power and helps you figure out staffing needs, vendor partnerships, and where you're landing on the P&L sheet. Average vendor versus internal spend takes it a step even further, showing how well you're balancing in-house work versus outsourcing to vendors. Are you sticking to your strategy, or is there room to adjust? Benchmarking against the market can help you fine-tune your approach, making sure you're spending smart and staying profitable. Tracking these numbers keeps your maintenance operations efficient, predictable, and allows you to defend your cost performance to investors.